Hello, everyone. Welcome to Creative Hands. Today, we will take you into the colorful world of traditional craftsmanship, bamboo basket weaving. Let's explore the process and techniques of a skilled artisan. We will have a close look at a bamboo basket weaver working in his workshop, a renowned craftsman with decades of experience and dedication to this craft, creating beautiful bamboo baskets. Every bamboo basket starts with fresh bamboo poles. The artisan carefully selects each piece of bamboo based on quality and size. After selection, the bamboo is cut and processed to prepare it for the next step. To ensure the bamboo is the right size, the artisan uses both a knife and a cutting machine. Cutting by hand allows for precise adjustments, while the machine helps save time and ensures high accuracy. Once the basket is finished, the artisan trims any excess bamboo and smooths the surface. This is the time to check every detail to ensure the product is of the highest quality. His bamboo baskets are not only beautiful, but also very durable. Each product is a result of careful craftsmanship and fine technique. Bamboo baskets are not just practical items, but also works of art. If you love handmade products and want to learn more, keep following our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. See you in the next videos.